What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this crash that we saw was pretty insane because I didn't see any of that coming. I did see it drop down and I was not really concerned, so I didn't continue to check it. Ended up watching a movie with Erica last night and didn't check the markets as I went to sleep. If I would have, as I went to sleep, I would have been able to probably profit quite a bit out of these investments and taking a lot of leverage trades and a lot of trades outright. But I still saw it at a very low level when I woke up. From sleep, I typically will sleep until about 4 o'clock, maybe 5 o'clock sometimes. So I woke up at 3:45, knowing that something was going on. So I immediately checked my phone, immediately checked, cryptocurrency. I didn't check any notifications that I had. I just looked at coin market cap and saw that everything was at lower levels. I saw Bitcoin was down by 4%. I was like, that's crazy. Scrolling down, Ethereum was down by 16%. I was like, oh, okay, this is real. Like, what's happening right now is absolutely real. Seeing Jasmine Coin down, seeing XRP down, seeing so many things that are down. Not only just like 4%, they're down tens of percent, like 20 to 30% at times. And this was crazy because then I checked the global market cap and I looked at the dominance and I was like, Bitcoin's dominance is at 60% again. It kind of just took over. It was at like 54% the last time I checked it and like actually looked at it and was reporting about it. It was at like 54%. So seeing it grow from, where I looked at that, which might have been like 2 weeks ago, to where we are today at about 60%, that's honestly insane. But with that being said, seeing these low prices does one of two things to people, right? It could either, you could either look at it and panic, or you can look at it and say that this is opportunity, right? And I chose the latter. I usually choose the latter where I'm looking at opportunity and I see a lower level. I'm looking for the best opportunity for me. Now, with any of the plays that I'm up a massive amount, 500%, 1,000% or whatever, I can't really do anything with those plays because my cost basis is so low. It doesn't make sense for me to dollar cost average up. Even if I believe it's going to go up a massive amount, I want to stick to what my strategy is and not dollar cost average up. I didn't buy any XRP. I didn't buy any new outright XRP. I didn't buy any new Jasmine coin. I didn't buy any new, well, I'm lying. I did buy Ethereum. I didn't buy anything that I'm up a massive amount on, right? But a lot of things actually were at very low levels with the 20+% that they dropped down. So I saw it as an opportunity. What did I decide to buy? I'm going to go through that in this video after we go through, where the markets are. Guys, if you could hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for Twitter, for Patreon down below. And if you guys want to take advantage of times like these, right? The decrease in the market, a fall of 20% for basically everything, new lows that it's creating what it seems like, especially for this bull run in so many different things, and you want to take advantage of that, definitely check out my link for BTCC down below, where you can get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link. Also, extra bonuses up to $10,000. But that's not what you're taking advantage of, right? Yes, you're taking advantage of it a little bit, but what you would be taking advantage of is the ability to leverage trade. Trading outright and leverage trading, it's a completely different risk factor in it, but you can gain so much more with a very low amount of money leverage trading versus trading outright. If I put $100 into Ethereum when it was at 200 or 2,500 and it grows to 2,600, I'm not gaining that much more, right? I'm gaining whatever the percentage is, and that's what it's growing as. If I put in $100 at a 10x leverage, well, now I'm trading with $1,000. Or let's just make it easy, $100 at a 25x leverage. Now I have one full Ethereum. That means that if Ethereum grows from 2,500 up to 2,600, I gain $100, even though I only invested $100, if I know what I'm doing. So it honestly is a great tool if you truly are educating yourself. It is a fantastic tool. So definitely check it out. Link is in the description, at the top of the description. But Let's look at where the market is. The current market is sitting at $3.27 trillion market cap. And if you look at Bitcoin's dominance, it's at 60.45%. So basically undoing everything that has been done by altcoins. Bitcoin is up by 3.4%. You're seeing XRP that's up by 5.5%. Everything has since kind of recovered. Since then, I'm not saying fully recovered, but you've definitely seen some more recovery. Solana is up by 7%, back above $200. Dogecoin is up to 27 cents. Cardano is almost up to 80 cents. Still not fully recovered for everything, but you're definitely seeing some major positivity here. Like you got Hype that's up by 21%. You got Litecoin that is down by 4%. But again, seeing how these were down by 10, 15, 20%, even 25%, this is a steal. This is amazing to be able to see this. Now, while you're seeing all these things that are running, let's look at things that are increasing by the most. You have Fartcoin that's up by 50%. You have XCN that's up by 36%. We were talking about that earlier today. Hyperliquid, which we just talked about, which is up 21%, Undo, which is up 19%, and so on and so forth. You got some things that are making some moves here, which is great to see compared to where it was. But as we saw these low lows, like if I go into, let's say, XRP, just to show you an example, XRP went all the way down to $1.94. This is a huge opportunity, right? Seeing things like Jasmy coin, right? Jasmy that drops down from 3 cents, or even from the high level almost or above 5 cents to a low level here of 1.9 cents. That you need to take advantage of if you are seeing a lower opportunity. Now for me, I had a couple of purchases. And if we go over to my Coinbase account, let's just look at my transactions, you're going to see what I bought. I bought 1.8 ETH, which is $4,778.73. This is more for consistency, more for like, hey, this is definitely a little bit longer term in what I'm going to gain. I also bought some more TRB, which brought my cost basis down. I bought 2 sets of 35, which gives me about 70 if my math is correct. So it gives me 70 more, giving me a total of 120 TRB. I also bought some Alchemex today. I bought 80 more Alchemex, which is $952, getting me to 200 Alchemex. And I also bought a hefty amount of YFI. I bought here outright 15,000, another 2,300, 2,400, totaling this being about $25,000 that I decided to invest into the crypto market. Now, there are so many other opportunities, or were so many other opportunities that were out there. I could have invested in the CRO at a level of 8 cents. I didn't have the ability to do that over on CoinMarketCap, so it was, or not CoinMarketCap, Crypto.com. So it was a little bit iffy, and I was like, all right, well, I'm not going to do that. I could have bought some API 3, which I think was a great and still is at a great level. I could have bought more Harvest Finance. I could have bought so much more cryptocurrency, but I decided to buy 25,000 worth. Remember, I put out a video more recently, it's like maybe a month and a half ago, where I said, I'm done buying cryptocurrency. But when you see drops like these and you see your cost basis or way below your cost basis, it's an opportunity, right? You bought higher. So if I bought YFI at a level of $6,000 and it's down to $5,600, I'm going to buy that, right? If I have the money, I'm going to go ahead and buy it. And now it gives me 5 YFI total, meaning that when we get up to a level of $50,000, I can take 1 YFI, take my initial investment, plus another $20,000 and be very, very happy with that, while still having 4 YFI left on the table for reaching upwards of $100,000+, because there's only 30,000 coins in circulation. So that's what I decided to buy. Let me know if you bought anything today. If you decided to purchase anything, put it down in the comment section in what you purchased. I don't want to see any people just spamming something that they think everybody else should buy. I want to know what you guys bought. I want to know what you guys saw, or if you got afraid, right? If you were fearful and you decided to step back. That's understandable. But those mindsets need to change, especially in the long term. You have to be fearful while others are greedy, and be greedy while others are fearful. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.